How we doing?
Put my hat on.
Yeah. We are at Espresso D-Works. The coffee is good. People are really nice.
Yes.
It's literally like right out of exit 4 Susukino Station. Super easy to get to. The breakfast looks phenomenal, so we're doing that next time. Our kid is stuck in the snow. We are about to go and see some ice sculptures. Right here past the Nika sign, looks like. That's what we get into. I don't know why we have the White House, but here it is. People playing ping pong on these tables. It's amazing. What's your favorite so far?
I like this guy.
This crowd's really nice, yeah?
Yeah, this guy's really cool.
Like the interactive ones, like the ping pong table and stuff are cool.
Oh, that was a fun exhibit.
That was cool, yeah? Trying to find the ones where they had like the fish frozen inside black. So see you soon, hopefully. I feel like the street is colder because we're surrounded by ice. I feel like it's really definitely colder here.
It does feel colder than yesterday.
It does. Also snowing currently, but I don't know. I feel like the street is colder.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful. I personally like this better than the snow sculptures, but because there's no food in the street. But it is cool.
Or maybe we're missing it.
Maybe we are.
Maybe we're just idiots.
So we can find later.
All right.
put the name of this at the bottom, but these are phenomenal.
In the snow?
It feels so good, so warming. Really nice people. I want to go back and get like 12 of these. They're phenomenal. So, the way to go.
Okay. Right?
Go. I need more.
Good?
Espresso, really good. Delicious. Way to go. It is cold up there.
スナックエンジニアリングカンパニーエクシオグループはこちらです。
Alright. Finish up with the Ice Festival, Ice World. So, great time. We're not staying in Susukino, so we're ventured away from that a little ways. And then on the way back, stopping over here at Deli Gardens. So, Indian curry spot. Looked amazing, so we can give it a shot. And after that, go home and crash for a little while. Enjoying the beautiful weather. Made it to Deli Gardens. How do you feel about it?
Oh my goodness, I'm so full of like just wonderful, good food.
Beautiful meal.
Ready to take a nap. The cheese bun, spectacular. Every single thing that we ordered was amazing. I think I'm gonna get like the number 5 spice for my spinach curry next time, the lamb spinach curry. I'm gonna try it out. I think I can do it.
It was beautiful.
It was delicious.
Because we're in Hokkaido, the lamb is phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
So good. So, Deli Gardens, thank you very much.